Hello mga kapitbahay, nag-send si ating admin ng reminders regarding grease trap cleaning. So, shout out sa mga condo owners dyan. I love how religiously they send reminders for you to do your maintenance sa iyong unit. So, tignan natin dito, basahin natin. So, ang mostly kasi yung mga condo ngayon, meron na silang mga grease trap talaga. Maganda to kasi para natatrap nga naman talaga yung mga masisebong mga bagay at hindi na pumunta sa mga linyada and mag-cause pa ng malaking troubles like bara. So, napaka-hassle nun. So, ito yung mga ways kung paano natin siya ma-maintain ng maayos. So, number 1 is avoid the use of enzymes, acids, mga caustics, solvents, or emulsifying products kapag nalilinis tayo ng grease trap. And next is to remove the lid. If the trap is equipped with removable baffles, remove them. And scoop the accumulated top grease layer out of the trap and deposit it in a tight sealing container for proper disposal. So, kung kayo mismo pala ang maglilinis ng inyong grease trap, siguraduhin nakasuot kayo ng gloves at makapal-kapal na face mask dahil matindi po talaga ang amoy nito. So, pag ako, hindi ko talaga po kayang maglinis. So, talagang pinapalinis ko po ito sa marunong at experts. Next is to bail out water in the trap to facilitate cleaning solids from the bottom. Set the water aside as it may be returned to the trap after cleaning. Next is remove all the solids from the bottom of the trap, drain liquids from the solids, and properly dispose of them in the trash. Scrape the sides, yung mga lid, mga baffles with a putty knife to remove the grease and deposit the grease into the same container used for the grease layer. And then replace lids and baffles. Next step is to fill the grease trap with water. So, recommended daw to clean the grease trap at least weekly or depending on the content of the oil or grease as part of regular maintenance. So, yan lang naman. Pwede nyo nang basahin yan. And lastly, if the cleaning was done by a unit owner, accumulated oil and grease in a tight sealing container must be disposed or can be disposed dun sa inyong garbage room. Basta make sure nyo lang, nababalutin nyo talaga siya ng medyo makapal-kapal na lagayan. Para just in case mabutas man, yung inyong pinangbalot is merong pang sasalo, parang double hull, gano'n. So, maganda rin talaga napapalinis ang grease trap para iwas din sa ipis. Kasi feel ko na amoy nila yan kaya talagang medyo dumadami talaga sa unit. I know a lot of condo owners talaga, yan ang number 1 reklamo nila, ipis. But, thankfully, hindi ako pala luto. So, siguro may factor din yun. And, yung meron akong ginagamit talagang spray, I would recommend it next time. Hahanapin ko siya dito sa TikTok. Kasi talaga guys, na-try ko na yung powder. Yes, effective siya. Pero, somehow, parang yung ipis is na-immune siya dun sa powder na yon. Pero nung ito na yung ginamit kong spray, guys, it's been months. Same naman yung ginawa ko. Same na beses lang nagluluto, hindi masyado. Pero, na-lessen talaga yung ipis. So anyways, guys, this is just to share. If you like this kind of content, please do like and follow.